Today I'm going to show you how to make Minerva beads. They're really lovely little beads that you can add together to make bracelets, or if you want, just add as many as you like to make the length of necklace that you like. Really nice little beads, simple to make but effective. I've made these from stainless steel, which are 7mm, and what you need are 10 beads, so I'll just bring those in. And 4 of which are closed, so let's make sure those are nicely tight and closed properly. So just manipulate the ones that you need to close properly. Okay, pop those to the side, and then the other 6 you need to open quite wide, and it'll be apparent and obvious as to why. Sometimes you don't need to open them quite as wide, but I quite like to do that. It just makes life a little bit more simple. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is get your jump ring, open jump ring, and put on that open jump ring the 4 closed ones, and then close that jump ring. In your left hand, if you're right-handed, grab it with your thumb and forefinger, and with the next open jump ring, just glide it through to make the start of a link. That's the start of the link, so you've got 2, 4, 6, and we're going to make it into a link of 8. Grab 2 more jump rings, just close those, and you should have a chain of 4, or a total chain of 8. Grab the bottom 2 with your thumb and finger. Now you've seen probably lots of videos of how to make Minerva beads. This is just what works for me. I'm self-taught and I'm not an expert, but this just works for me. So with the top 2, flip those open, grab your pliers and hold, and let the 2 that you've just flipped open drop to the side. And you're essentially going to repeat this 3 times. So just move the 2 to the side, put your pliers through, grab and let them drop, grab and let them drop. Okay, and that will be your Minerva bead, but it's not stable. If I drop this now, it will just collapse. What I'm needing to do is stabilize it by threading through a jump ring, through the bead, from that side through to that side, and then you close that bead, flip it over, get your jump ring, and just repeat that. It can be a little fiddly, as this one is going to be. If you're struggling, just put it down, grab it again, and then try again, and quite often, like in this case, it'll go through fine. And then you close the bead, and that's it. It's stable, you can move it, you can drop it, and it won't fall apart. Add them all together, make your bracelet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.